because we work our asses off to get here and stuff like that. You know, we're friends. You know, we're friends. You know, we love you.
Okay.
We love each other. Pero, you know, something has to happen because we won't just let it be. You know,
Oh, yun, get it.
we won't
Oh my
just
God.
allow things to happen that quickly because we know we deserve it and we know we deserve it.
It's not there.
I don't get it.
They want
one of the
they want
slots.
one of our slots.
Why?
Do you know what we're fighting for?
Well, just give it to you. You don't have to sing or anything.
It's not, and it is worth dying for. Does it take your breath away and you feel that you're suffocated? Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. A few months ago,
Seriously, we'll just give it to you guys. You don't have to do anything.
We want all of our assets. Definitely love goes. We guys not here. The first week was so fun, but now we want something else. We thought life was in our hands, but when we think and everything we've done hard work, just didn't come here.
We were so sad, and very ashamed of just happened.
But what happened?
We've been waiting for just 3.5 games. Yeah, it's drop. You are ready. Let's back to our topic.
You're saying that you didn't win it?
Say your
Ano?
sobrang namin. Sobrang rin iyak. Because we thought big night was ours. But guys, very good. You just beat us. Walang nangyari. Happy paguran namin.
We have been here for 7 weeks, and you guys for 4 weeks. Now we got more slots, and we are very pissed. Yeah, I know we're friends, but this is right. Now, if you think you can beat us, why don't we have a rematch?
Rematch.
Take it easy. You need to go.
Just like that.
Milk the milk?
Music video. Housemate. I think it's about 10. Oh. good.
Yeah.
They're pretty.
National.
They're handsome.
They're
They're
cute.
aces.
That's bullshit.
Next.
Ako ba hindi ko alam kung kami ano in houses. This Pinoy in houses. Maraming pinagdaanan. Aming pinagdaanan. Hirap sa mga challenge.
우리가 이긴다고.
정중에 물어보는 게 아니고 내가 모르겠나 내가 티 갔냐고.
You would have just gave it. They didn't have to say something like that.
Yeah.
I would just like to take the opportunity to tell you guys what I really feel. I am so sad. Cause we've been here for so long. Me and Bird said a lot of effort. We've been through a lot of challenges. So we want to rematch. Everybody deserves a second chance. Kumuutan. Mahirap sagot mo. Ibahan mo ng share ninyo ang lahat ng mo. Chan, lan,